In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Gmail to N8n step by step, so you can start sending, reading, and managing emails inside your automations. This is a really useful setup if you want to build workflows that respond to new messages, organize your inbox, or send notifications automatically. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your N8n dashboard and create a brand new workflow. Once you're inside the workflow editor, the next step is to add a Gmail node. You can do this by clicking the plus button and searching for Gmail. After that, you'll see several different actions available depending on what you want Gmail to do. You can choose an action like send, read, watch, or label emails. If you want to send emails automatically, choose send. If you want to monitor incoming messages, choose watch. If you want to pull messages into your workflow, choose read. And if you want to organize emails, you can use label. Now that you've selected the action, the next thing you need to do is connect your Google account. Under Credentials, click Create New Credential. This is where N8n will let you securely link Gmail to your workflow. After clicking that, choose Sign In with Google. A Google login window will open, and from there you should select the Gmail account you want to connect. Make sure you choose the correct account, especially if you manage multiple Google accounts for different projects or businesses. Once you select the account, Google will ask you to grant the required permissions. These permissions allow N8n to access Gmail based on the action you selected, so review the prompts carefully and approve them. After you grant access, N8n will save the credential and connect your Gmail account to the node. At this point, your Gmail integration is ready to use. You can now continue building your workflow, add more nodes, and test everything to make sure your automation runs the way you want. This is the basic setup, and once it's connected, you can start creating powerful automations, like sending emails from form submissions, watching your inbox for keywords, or labeling messages automatically. So that's how you connect Gmail to N8n in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more N8n and automation tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.